Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shahan Layek, and today I will discuss about few terminologies which are very important for you in psychiatry, and it's very important for neetpg, DNB and INISET and other examinations. So let us start with Satyriasis. So what is Satyriasis? So basically there are two terminology. One is Satyriasis, another is the nymphomania. So what do these two terminology means? Basically Satyriasis is for the males. Satyriasis is for males and nymphomaniac for females. So what does satyriasis mean? Satyriasis means excessive sexual cravings. So it is the excessive sexual craving in case of male, that is satyriasis. Excessive sexual craving in case of females is known as nymphomania. So you can understand a satyriastic male will be having excessive desire to have sex with females, and that is satyriastic person, satyriastic male. And what is nymphomaniac female? A nymphomaniac female has same sexual desire for men. So a female who has extra sexual desire, excessive sexual craving for male, that is nymphomaniac female. So you can understand these two terminologies which are important. Now let us go for the other two which I will be discussing, but before that let me erase this portion for you so that I can write it down here. So the next important terminology, that is also a pair terminology. One is the Oedipus complex. Another is the Electra Complex. So what are these? What is the Oedipus complex and what is Electra Complex? Basically, Oedipus complex is for boys. Oedipus complex is for boys, and Electra complex is for girls. So these two complexes are part of psychoanalytic theory. There is a theory known as psychoanalytic theory, and that theory actually says that there is a growth pattern, there is a growth developmental phase in which known as phallic phase. That is a phase of development according to the psychoanalytic theory of Sigmund Freud. And Sigmund Freud told that according to, there are four actually phases. One is oral phase, another is anal phase, another is phallic phase, another is latent phase, and another is genital phase. So oral, anal, phallic, latent and genital. So let me write it down so that it will be clear for you here. So there are 5 phases of this psychoanalytical theory development of a little child. One is oral phase, another is anal phase, next is phallic phase, next is phallic phase, next is latent phase, and the last one is the genital phase. So these are the 5 phases: oral, anal, phallic, latent and genital. Now this Oedipus complex and Electra complex belongs to the phallic phase. It belongs to the phallic phase. So phallic phase, in this phase generally this occurs in 3 to 6 years in boys and girls. Oedipus complex is a complex where the boys felt a unconscious sexual attachment with the mother. So that is boys Oedipus complex, boys having sexual attachment with mom of opposite sex, so that is Oedipus complex. And the same thing for girls having a sexual attachment with the father is Electra complex. So the boys have a sexual attachment with their mom and they feel rivalry with the same sex, that is with father. In the same way, girls also having the sexual attachment with their father in this stage in 3 to 6 years of their age, and they have rivalry with mom, that is the same sex. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please share this video with your friends and in your WhatsApp group so that many more medical students can get help from this video. Bye bye.